Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I'm teacher Patrick by name. So today I'll be taking you mathematics. So this is a past question, 2017 integration. Sit down, relax, and watch. Question 1. Find integral of s squared plus 3s minus 5 ds. So these are the options. Okay. Solution. Now, one thing about integration, when you are integrating, after integrating, you must always add a constant to it. Okay, so this formula for integration, if you are integrating a variable which is s raised to the power of n ds, so the formulas state that this your n will have n plus 1 as a power and n plus 1 as a denominator plus a constant k. That's why you are saying this k here. Okay, some steps we use c, some we use what? K. So far there's a what? A constant there. Okay, now let's bring out this particular question. It says integral s squared plus 3s minus 5 ds. Okay, so what we're trying to say here is that s following the same formula, n plus 1. So this our 2 is n. So we're going to say 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Take the next one, this 3s. So there is 1 on top of it, okay, an invisible one, but in mathematics we don't normally write it, okay. So we're going to say 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Now, anytime you are integrating a constant, because 5 here is a constant, why? Because a variable is not attached to this 5. So anytime you are integrating a constant, you just add s to it. So we're adding s to this 5 plus our what? K that we are seeing here. So this is our k plus k. Okay, so s 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3s, s 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2 minus what? 5s plus k. Now you go back to your option, you check the one that suits this particular solution. You check A, nothing like that, B and C, plus minus plus K. So definitely our answer is C. So option C is our answer. This is how you solve such type of question. And always take note of the formula. S raised to the power of n plus 1 over the denominator, which is n plus 1 plus a constant k. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you know you're interested in my online class, please give me a DM anywhere you're seeing this video. See you next time again. Bye bye.